Very good morning, students. I hope you are healthy and good. So, today we'll start chapter 6, that is negative sentences. Today we'll learn to frame negative sentences. We'll learn how negative sentences are formed. So, the sentences that have not or no in them are called negative sentences. जिन sentences में not या no आता है किसी भी sentence में, those sentences are called negative sentences. For example, I am not well, it will not rain, I am not hungry. Whenever we add the word not, the sentence become negative. जब भी हम लोग not को किसी भी sentence में add करेंगे, that sentence will become negative sentence. For example, we have certain sentences here. Let us look at the examples. The first one, I am not interested in Western music. I am not. Am is the helping verb and it is followed by not. Children, a helping verb is also always followed by not to frame a negative sentences. हमेशा helping verb के बाद जब भी हम word not लगाते हैं, it means it is a negative sentence. Next, they are not ready for test. Are is the helping verb and are के बाद not लगा है, that means it is a negative sentence. Next, children were not going to the fair. Were is a helping verb and after were not is used, so it becomes a negative sentence. Sania was not hungry. Sania was not hungry. Was is the helping verb and after the helping verb the word not is used. Similarly, these sentences are framed using not. Now, children, we put the word not after the helping verb to make the sentence negative. किसी भी sentence को negative बनाने के लिए हमें helping verb के बाद after that helping verb we have to put the word not. The time we put this word not, it becomes a negative sentence. We have certain exercises based on this. Let us just have a look. Make these sentences negative. The first one is, Itika can draw portraits. So if we have to make this sentence as negative, it is a positive sentence. So how to frame this sentence as negative? So Itika can not draw portraits. Can is the helping verb. So after can, we just have to add not. So it will become a negative sentence. Next, he is busy today. Is the helping verb. So after is, we will add not. He is not busy today. It was foggy yesterday. It was not foggy yesterday. It is very simple. Just you have to put not after the helping verb. And so, till question number 10, it can be easily solved by you people. Now compare these imperative sentence. Now children, what do you mean by imperative sentence? First of all, we have already done in our previous chapter about imperative sentence. So imperative sentence is a sentence that gives any order, command, suggestion or request. That sentence is called imperative sentences. जिस भी sentence में order, request, suggestion, advice ये सारा कुछ होता है, that sentence is called imperative sentence. अब यहाँ पे कुछ imperative sentences दिए हैं. We have to convert these imperative sentences into negative sentences. So how we will frame it? The first one is, come here. If we have to convert this sentence into negative, it will be don't come here. Yeah, do not come here. Don't is the short form of do not. Second, write fast. Do not write fast or don't write fast. Run in the corridor. Do not run in the corridor or don't run in the corridor. Next, make a noise. Do not make a noise or don't make a noise. Both are correct. You can use either. Don't is just a short form of do not. Just remember that. Pluck these mangoes. Do not pluck these mangoes or don't pluck these mangoes. Now we have some exercises based on this. Some questions are there. Change these imperative sentences into negative. Here some imperative sentences are given and you have to change these imperative sentences into negative sentence. The first one is, give food to animals in the zoo. So how you will change it into negative? Give food to animals in the zoo. Do not give food to animals in the zoo. Or it can be don't give food to animals in the zoo. Second one, switch off the fan. Do not switch off the fan or don't switch off the fan. Third one, eat sweets daily. Do not eat sweets daily or don't eat sweets daily. This just you have to only add do not or don't, and the sentence will automatically turn into a negative sentence. So question number 2 can also be solved. Now let's come to the next part. Now read these sentences carefully. Here are some sentences that are given in simple present and simple past tense. Now, how to change a simple present tense sentence into a negative sentence and a simple past tense sentence into a negative sentence. So certain rules are there that must be followed. So for that, just look here. In order to change any affirmative simple present tense into नेगेटिव सेंटेंस, अगर कोई भी अफर्मेटिव सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस का सेंटेंस है उसको हमें नेगेटिव में चेंज करना है. इफ़ एनी सेंटेंस इज देयर इन सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस एंड दैट वी हैव टू चेंज इन नेगेटिव सेंटेंस, देन वी यूज़ डू और डज बिफोर द मेन वर्ब. हम लोग डू या डज का यूज़ करते हैं बिफोर द मेन वर्ब. अब डू कहाँ यूज़ करते हैं और डज कहाँ यूज़ करते हैं? वी यूज़ डू विथ आई, वी, यू, दे एंड प्लूरल नाउन्स. जितने भी प्लूरल नाउन्स हैं या आई, वी, यू, दे, with all the plural nouns and I, we, you, they, you have to use do. And with the singular nouns and he, she, it, we use does. Just remember this. With do we use I, we, you, they and plural nouns, and with does we use he, she, it and singular noun. With all the singular nouns we use does. If a sentence is in simple present tense, अगर कोई भी sentence simple present tense में है तो हम लोग do और does यूज़ करते हैं. और do कहाँ करते हैं? Do we use with I, we, you, they and plural nouns, and does we use with he, she, it and singular nouns. Now, in order to change an affirmative simple past tense sentence into a negative sentence, पहले तो हम लोगों ने बात कर लिया simple present का. Now we will talk about simple past. Now if any sentence is in simple past tense and we have to change that sentence into a negative sentence, so we have to use did. The word did is used with all the nouns and pronouns. अगर कोई भी सिंगुलर है या प्लूरल है, वॉट एवर द सेंटेंस में भी कोई भी नाउन है, अगर सिंगुलर नाउन है या प्लूरल नाउन है, वी यूज़ did with all the nouns and pronouns if that sentence is in simple past tense. Past के साथ हमें बस did का यूज़ करना है और present के साथ we have to use do and does. Alright, please remember these points. These are very important for you people. Now let's look at some of the examples. He works hard. He, what is he? He is a singular person है तो singular के साथ what we use? We use does. He does not work hard. और एक और बात, जो भी verb रहेगा, whatever verb का कोई भी form रहेगा, whatever form of verb is given, you have to change it into the main form of the verb, जो root form होता है. Works का work, looks का look. We have to use the root form of the verb. She looks pretty. She does not. He, she, it के साथ does लगता है, singular के साथ does लगता है, तो she does not look pretty. looks का look हो जाएगा. Next, I wash my uniform. I के साथ क्या लगता है? I के साथ we use do. I, we, you, they and singular. We use do. Sorry, I, we, you, they and plural. We use do. So, I do not wash my uniform. Now, they do their work. They, अब they के साथ क्या लगता है? I have told you that with they we use do. So they do not do their work. Next, Simran goes to weekly market. Simran does not go to weekly market. Simran is singular or plural? Simran is singular, and with singular we use does. So similar does not go to weekly market. Goes ka go. Okay. Now these 5 sentences were in simple present tense. Now we'll look at the sentences that are in simple past tense. They ate sushi. They ate. The sentence is in simple past tense. अगर past tense रहेगा we only have to use did. कुछ भी नहीं करना है, do does कुछ नहीं लगाना है, बस did लगाना है. They ate sushi. They did not eat sushi. Ate का it will change into the root form, that is eat. Second, monkeys disturbed the travelers. Disturbed, it is in past tense. So monkeys did not disturb the travelers. Whenever the sentence is in simple past tense, we have to use did. Next, Ayushi did her task neatly. Ayushi did not do her task neatly. Clear? Now on the basis of this explanation, you have to solve this question number 3. Now change these sentences into negative by adding do not, does not or did not with the root form of the verb, and you have to use the root form of the verb. Dr. Kalam belonged to a humble background. Now Dr. Kalam is singular or plural? He is singular, and with singular we use does. So Dr. Kalam does not belong to a humble background. Belonged ka belong. Dr. Kalam does not belong to a humble background. Second, she keeps her things carefully. She. What we have to use now with he, she, it? We have to use does. She does not keep her things carefully. Keeps ka keep. Third, children make noise. Children is singular or plural? Children is plural. So with children we have to use we have to use do. Children do not make a noise. I hope this exercise is clear to you people, and you can easily solve till question number 12. Now the fourth one. Choose the correct option and fill in the blanks. So some sentences are given here, and you have to choose the correct option. You have to make the correct choice and you have to fill in the blanks. I'll explain the first one to you. She is very weak. She lift this box. What will be the answer? She can lift the box or she can't lift the box? She is very weak, so obviously she can't lift the box. So you just have to write the appropriate word. You have to choose the appropriate word given in the option. And I hope this chapter is clear to you people. Thank you.